again, you know? Yeah, man. Jus Seh It 101. The lioness Najee, you know? Najee on my heart. It's your first time. Thanks for stopping by. And if you're a regular, thanks for stopping by. Yes. Just a mellow it out, you know? So get a little mellow moment, a mellow it out and just go with the moon and the flow. So good with the energy, today's also about the energy flow. As we feel in the dark as usual, yeah, feeling in the dark and loving it, you know, for the consciously awakening mind, or the consciously awakening mind, awakening and awakening. Hey, the English language, yo, hey, you know, overemphasize, but I can't stop, I like it. Yeah. I like things easy, you know? I like ambiguity. Okay. So me I tell you, too much turn up, you have too much twist up and something to call them somebody. I like things smooth. Life easy, you know? Life easy. Some people make it hard, but life easy, man. Life easy. And it's even easier when love is in it, you know? Yeah. So as usual, it's Jus Seh It 101, as you are consciously reasoning with self, going where the spirit flow. Yeah. Allowing the mind to focus on wherever the spirit is guiding, zoning upon it and, you know, feeling in the dark. And whatever we learn, whatever we get from it, we appreciate it, you know, no matter how it come across, whether it come across in a fucked up way or whatever, but we appreciate the learnings, you know, because of the growth we go for the substance, because in this time, we believe say a lot of persons' consciousness are reached to different heights, you know. The mind are awakened to different things. So, and when the mind awakens, you realize you have to rely on within more than you look out. So, you know, it's for those persons who embrace it wholeheartedly, who embrace that type of thing wholeheartedly and enjoy doing it and want to connect with another spirit or another soul or another being that is another human that is being or doing the same. We just go easy and flow, you know? Flow. And make the spirit bring up what need to talk about. And whatever I know about it, want to talk about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you know, if you feel the need to, or if we connect with you in any way. Yeah, man. It's always, whatever I said is always said with love. Yeah, man. And left out the herbs. And we give thanks to Mama for it, you know. We give thanks to Mama nature every time. We give thanks to Mama. And we embrace both masculine energy and feminine energy for the set balance as well as equal balance. So we know ourselves. Is there anything particular that you love most about nature? That's a fucking hard question to answer. Yeah? Because the hard to answer, because I don't think I know half enough what I'm supposed to know if you even say, come to a conclusion to say why this happened. Or this and that. Just know, so I don't like see how people abuse nature. I don't like how them abuse mama. Yeah. We want to dwell upon so we don't want to dwell upon the abuse, we want to dwell upon the want to dwell upon the we don't want to look we want to look on the other side. The other side. There's some way of you have been what you have been privy to in terms of nature. What most you love about it. Most I love about it. It's freedom. It's freedom to expand. Them questions, I forgot to get too technical for them questions, you know, mama. Imagine. No, still, but on a serious note, I think if I'm to ask myself that question, what is it I most admire about nature? Is the fact that nature has a freedom like nothing else, and have a freedom to expand and adapt and grow as it feels a mind and as it please. So it's in my head, because I think about it as my answer, and like nature is nature, and it's unstoppable, and that's a freedom that. I think I have to admire, and I think I'm forced to admire, and I think I am a part of that, and that's what makes it great. I think I am a part of that force. So I think I am a part of nature, adapting and growing with nature. Yes, Hey, yes, yeah, them type of talk there. Yes, yeah, back in the days. Hey, trust me. Yeah, I think that is what I really love about now I am able to see nature in that sense. I think that I think I want to feel some more in the dark where that is concerned and go beyond. You know, in terms of like seeing, it's like and seeing, it is now in the you know me focus. What is nature? Who is nature? What really is mama nature? Is nature the all in all, the all in everything, the all in all things? Because I mean, who can really stop nature? Can anybody really stop nature? Can anybody even fully understand nature? Nature. Because if you have animals will get extinct. Rascal, no, my mind. If you have animals will get extinct, and where those animals used to exist still exist, whatever it is that made those animals no longer exist, and that place still exists and different animals now live there, what does that say? And those animals and or whatever life is there is living, even though prior to that others were made extinct. Isn't that, we just think why we just look, why we need to observe nature, we just need to observe nature some more, because according to them say, and then life is a cycle, don't it? And them say life, yeah, they say everything in life is a cycle. So adapting and changing and adapting and changing is going on and taking place. So that, and that all of that are nature, all of that embodies nature. The natural flow of things. Cause it's a cycle. It's a cycle. You know, me telling us you're feeling either nice. Feeling not that nice because the reasoning there, because it open up your eyes. And when you open up your eyes and you are putting up your own eyes for your inner reason. When you open up your own eyes, with your own inner reason, reason with yourself, you get a different feeling than when somebody comes and tell you something. But anyway, so we never have a good in nothing too deep today. And yeah, I just going to mellow it out, you know. And as usual, I ask the people them to walk with love, truth and righteousness. Yeah man, because if you walk with love, truth and righteousness, everything becomes so easy. Everything becomes so easy. And life wouldn't be so hard for people. You know, if everybody walk with love, truth and righteousness, righteousness have to unite. Because if there's righteousness, then there won't be any need for just ice. If you walk from the beginning, I walk with love, truth and righteousness, there won't even be any call for just ice. Just drink your lemonade straight and enjoy the coolness and the freshness and the sweet flavor of it. Vibe's just nice.